Hey guys, it is Lexi here from We Are the Coons. Today we are going to be playing with some slime. I did not make this, I bought it, but it's like really colorful and I just thought I might want to share it with you. So I'm going to play with it a little bit. It does get glitter on your hands, see if you can see the glitter, but it's really fun to play with. It's stretchy and it's got these in it. Got those in it. And it's kind of crunchy if you can hear it. It's kind of crunchy. Not much, but it's just the sequins. Oh, and this was a sequin. That's what they were called. But we're going to put it back in the container. This little container that I got. I bought out with it. And I'm going to be showing you my really cool headphones. Brass monkey, that funky monkey. And it does have a cord, because they are headphones. And watch. Then you have your headphones. But back to the slime. I just wanted to show you that really quick. Ooh, that was loud. It's going to go quiet for a second because I'm going to be playing with it. I'm going to show you the opposite way. So hold on. Okay. Oops, sorry guys. Now I'm going to be showing you the Pledge of Allegiance that we do at school. We put your right hand on your heart. That's my writing name. And pretend the flag's over here. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic of which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Yankee Doodle, Yankee Doodle, Yankee Doodle. So I'm going to play a song here in a second. I'm going to sing it. I hate you. I'm going to sing part of it. I hate you, I love you. I hate you, I love you. I hate that I want you, don't want you, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you. I hate that I want you, you want her, you need her, and I will never be her. Miss you in my front seat. Still got sand in my sweaters from nights you don't remember. Do you miss me like I miss you? Around and got attached to you. Friends can break your heart too, but I'm always tired, but never with you. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you my slime and my super cool headphones and my voice, because this is my first ever YouTube video. Well, I'll see you. I post every Fridays and Mondays. And maybe sometimes Tuesdays. Well, I kind of post every day, but not really. So you can see all the glitter inside. Well, now my video is over, guys. Bye.